of mathematics. So how you all are doing? Let me know. So I think you all are prepared to discuss this thing, isn't it? So I am also ready to discuss this with you all. Okay. So let's wait for the friend to join, and then we'll continue our speed. So we'll be starting. So let's continue. First question. How many words can be formed from the word daughter such that vowels are not together? So vowels are, how many vowels are there? A, U, E. And how much terms are there? D, G, H, T, R. So if we keep vowels together, first we'll do all the arrangement, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 factorial minus when all are together, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factorial into 3 factorial. This is the answer. Simple. Okay. Two biased dice are tossed. Die one has one on two faces, two on two faces, 3 and 4. Okay. While die 2 has two on two faces, 4 on two faces, 1 and 3, 1 and 3 on other faces. Okay, 1 and 3. Then the probability that when throwing these dice we get some 4 or 5. So some should be 4 or 5. We can simply write this as P sum 4 plus P sum 5 minus P sum 4 intersection sum 5. Now when sum 4 will occur, sum 5 may not occur. So this is 0. So we have simply P sum 4 plus C P sum 5. Okay. Now probability of sum 4 is what? So we can have combination like in order to get 4, we should be having 1, 3 2 2 3 1. Okay, for getting 5 it should be 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1, isn't it? So for getting 4 is what? If we get 1, so probability is 2 by 6. Total number of 2's are 2 and we have 6 different samples, and choosing 3 from here is 1 by 6 plus 2 comma 2, 2 by 6, 2 by 6, 4 by 36 plus 3, 1 by 6, 1, 1 by 6, 1 by 36. Okay, so it is nothing but 7 by 36. P sum 5. Now getting 1 is 2 by 6. Getting 4, 2 by 6. Getting 2, 2 by 6. Getting 3, 1 by 6. Getting 3, 1 by 6. Getting 2, 2 by 6. Getting 4, 1 by 6. Getting 1, 1 by 6. It is nothing but 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 1, 9. 9 by 36. If we add PS5, PS4, it is nothing but 16 by 36, which is 4 by 9. This is the answer. Okay. If for the arithmetic progression, if first term is 3, first term is 3, sum of first 4 term, sum of first 4 term 2a plus 3d is equal to 1/5 of sum of next 4 term. That means it is 4 by 2 only. So next fourth meaning it will start with fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So it is a plus 4d plus 4, 5, 6, 7. A plus 7d. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So this will get cancelled. We are getting 30 plus 15d. I think we are going to get 2a is nothing but 6. It is 11d. I think we are going to get 4d equal to minus 24, d equal to minus 6. Okay. So first sum of first 20 terms. So as 20 is 20 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So if you take 6 out, so 120 by 2 is 60. 1 minus 19 is minus 18. This is it. If fx is continuous at x equal to 0, where fx is this thing, then k1 square. So what will happen? X tending to 0. It is continuous, yes. So it will become 0 by 0 somewhere. So if you see that limit x tending to 0 minus, we have 2 sine k1 plus 1 x upon x. So if we multiply k1 plus 1 into k1 plus 1, and we have sine k2 x upon, we have x will multiply with k2 plus 1 and this is k2 plus 1. So limit x tending to 0 minus. This is 1. So we are getting 2 k1 plus k2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 because it is continuous, isn't it? Now what will happen? We are getting k1 k2 equal to 0. That means k1 is equal to minus k2. Now we are moving to limit x tending to 0 plus. We have 2 by x. We are not given that whether it is greatest integer or bigger, so it will better that we'll put k2 equal to minus k1 x plus 1 upon k1 x plus 1. We'll add 1 minus 1. Okay, so if we see x tending to 0, it is nothing but 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 by 0. So what will happen? We'll simply divide by minus k1 x plus 1 upon k1 x plus 1 minus 1 and multiply with, after calculation, what we are getting, this thing, isn't it? Upon k1 x plus 1. So this is 1, and from here we are getting, from this all we are getting minus 4 k1 only, which is equal to 4. So k1 equal to minus 1. So k1 is minus 1, k2 is 1. So k1 square plus k2 whole square is 2. So we got the answer. So a into b minus c, this has equal roots. And if you see hit and trial, put x equal to 1. This will become out to be a, b minus c, b, c minus a, c, a minus b equal to 0. Has equal roots, that means x equal to 1 is 0. That means 1 is the only root. Then we can say that product of the root c, a minus b, a, b minus c equal to 1, and sum of the root b, c minus a, b minus c equal to minus 1. Okay, so let's see it. It is ac minus bc equal to ab minus ac. So we are going to get 2ac equal to b, a plus c. Okay, hello Vashist, hello. So a plus c is 15. Okay, and b is also given. B is given 36 by 5. So a plus c into 36 by 5 is 108, which is 54. AC is 54, a plus c is 15. If we see a equal to 9, c equal to 6. Okay, so a square plus c square is nothing but 6 square plus 9 square. 36 plus 81, 117 is the answer. Got it? Straightforward, isn't it? The value of cos inverse 12 by 13. So you see that in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, if one side is 12 and this is 13, this will come out to be 5. That means if we consider this is cos alpha, this is sin alpha. So we have simply cos inverse cos alpha cos x sin alpha sin x. which is nothing but cos inverse cos x minus alpha. Okay, where alpha is sine inverse, this is alpha. Okay, 5 by 13. Okay, now sine theta has some value, so cos inverse cos, so this should be this angle is some positive angle between 0 to pi by 2 minus alpha to pi minus alpha. So from 0 to pi, if you see the graph of cos inverse cos, 0 and this is pi, it will come out to be y equal to x. So it is nothing but x minus alpha, which is x minus cos inverse, we will write in the form of tan inverse 12 by 5. Okay, now this is the question. Lambda plus 1 into x plus lambda plus 2 into y lambda minus what? Okay, the above solution has infinite solution. That means delta x delta equal to 0, because delta x delta y delta z is 0. We should make delta equal to 0. So delta is what? Lambda plus 1 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 1 lambda lambda minus 1 lambda plus 1 lambda minus 1 lambda plus 1 minus lambda plus 2. Okay, so we will have to make some of order. Okay, so we'll do row 1 row 1 minus row 2 row 3 row 3 minus row 2. So 1 3 minus 2, it is lambda lambda minus 1 lambda plus 1 minus 1 2 minus 2 lambda plus 1. Okay, can we expand it? Let's expand it. 1 minus 2 lambda square minus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 lambda lambda plus 1. This is plus lambda plus 1. This is minus 2 2 lambda plus lambda minus 1. This should be equal to 0. So let's solve it. This is 1 minus 2 lambda square plus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 2 plus 6 lambda square plus 6 lambda minus 3 lambda minus 3 minus 6 lambda plus 2 equal to 0. So we will first see what is happening. It is 4 lambda square 4 lambda square, this 6 lambda cancel, we are minus 5 lambda, this 2 2 cancel, it is minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so we are to lambda equal lambda square plus lambda. Okay, Did we do some calculation error? Otherwise, let's see lambda equal to 5 plus minus root under b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. In case it would have come out to be lambda equal to minus lambda. So this is lambda. We can simply say that 4 lambda square is equal to 5 lambda plus 1, isn't it? We'll add 4 lambda square. So it will be lambda square plus lambda equal to 9 lambda plus 1 by 4. Okay. So lambda is this thing. This is the answer. I think there is some in question we have some problem. Okay. A relation defined on set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many minimum ordered pair are added to R so that ordered it becomes equivalence? Okay. So you will see that A has relation R cross R which has 16 element. Okay. Now for reflexive we have 3 comma 3, 1 2 3 all are there, so we'll have to add 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, and we have 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 3 with us. For symmetric 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 is there. For 1 comma 2 we'll have to add 2 comma 1. For 3 comma 2 we'll have to add 3 comma 2. So 1 2 3 4 added. For transitive 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So 1 to 3 need to be added. 1 to 3 need to be added. Okay. If 1 to 3 is there, 3 to 1 will have to be added. Now if 1 to 3, 3 to 2, that means 1 to 2 is already there. Okay. So 2 to 1, 1 to 3, 2 to 3 is there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's write 4 more samples. Uh, okay, we will have to add 4 comma 4 also. Okay, because it is equivalence. So 3 comma 3 is there, 4 comma 4 will be also there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things are to be added. 2 to 1. So we are adding 7 element. 7 elements to be added. Or maybe 6. 4 comma 4 not required. 4 comma 4 not required. Okay, because it is not available. So we can say 6 element. The sum of rational element. So what will happen? The general term will come out to be 6 factorial upon r1 factorial, r2 factorial, r3 factorial, 2 to the power 1 to the power r1 is going to be 1, r2 by 3, 2 3 to the power r3 by 2. So this has to be rational, isn't it? So we are making r1, r2, r3. If r1 is 0, r3 is 0. or it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6. When it is 0, it is 6. When it is 2, it is 4. When it is 4, it is 2. When it is 6, it is 0. Okay. Now when it is 3, so when it is 3, we are left with 3. So it should be 2, 0, it is 3. It is 2, it is 1. Now we are left with 3 only. Yes, so there is no possibilities. When it is 6, it is 0, it is 0. So the term will come out to be 6 factorial 600, 6 factorial 6 factorial 4 factorial 2 factorial 6 factorial 2 factorial 4 factorial 6 factorial 6 factorial. Okay, so power will be also different. When it is 6, R2 is 0, 2 to the power 0, R3 is 0. Okay, 1. 6 factorial 4 factorial 2 factorial. That means it is 3. It is 3 square. It is 3 cube plus 6 factorial 3 factorial 3 factorial. Now we have 2 to the power 1, 6 factorial 3 factorial 2 factorial. It is 3 to the power 1. Okay. We have 6 factorial upon 6 factorial 2 to the power 3. So these are the sum of the coefficient. You can find the sum, okay, and get the answer. This is the differentiation. So first we'll try to keep it like whether we should go with dy by dx. Yes, we can go. So it is dy by dx minus 1 plus 2 e to the power 2x upon 7 plus e to the power 2x y plus 3 equal to 0. We can go by dy by y plus 3 equal to dx 1 plus 2 e to the power 2x upon 7 plus e to the power 2x. Integrate. We are going to get ln y plus 3. So we'll have to go by part, maybe. Maybe by part. Hmm. So what will happen? Let's see it. We'll do e to the power 2x. So divide by 2 ln 7 plus e to the power 2x. And now we have e to the power 2x. So this is one time, and now we have dx. We'll do 7 e to the power minus 2x plus 1 e to the power minus 2x. So we can do simply differentiation. This will come out to be minus 14. So minus 1 by 14 minus 1 by 14. So it will come out to be ln 7 e to the power minus 2x plus 1. Okay, and this is 1 by 2 ln 7 plus e to the power 2x. This is ln y plus 3, and we have plus c. We'll put y 0. That means it will become ln 8. That means x is 0. Okay, ln, this is nothing. This is 2 times. Okay, so it will become ln 8, and it is minus 1 by 14 ln 8 plus c. So c is equal to 1 by 14 ln 8. Okay, so ln whole square. Ln whole square what? We are not given with ln whole square what? X is ln whole square what? We are not given. If we are given, we can find it value. Okay, we can find the value. Ln whole square what? Ln 2. If it is ln 2, let's take it ln 2. Okay, so it is ln y plus 3. We are taking ln 2. So ln 2 is nothing but 2 square 4 ln 11 minus 1 by 14 ln 7 by 4 plus 1 11 by 4, and c is nothing but 1 by 14 ln 8. So if you see that this is something, y is something coming in this form. We are not given ln clearly, otherwise we would have solved it, isn't it? The range of value of a for which 5x cube minus 15x minus a equal to 0 has three distinct solution is alpha beta. So if we consider fx equal to 5x cube minus 15x minus a, f dash x is 15x square minus 15. So we are getting x equal to 0 1. This is 1, this is 0. So it is plus minus plus. So infinity minus infinity, it is minus infinity, increasing, decreasing, increasing. At 1 it has distinct root. That means at 1 it is negative. So f1 2 3, f0 is positive, f1 is negative. Okay, so f0 is what? Minus a bigger than 0. F1 is what? Minus 10 minus a less than 0. So a is bigger than minus 10, a is less than 0. So it is from minus 10 to 0. This is what? Alpha comma beta. Can we say beta minus 2 alpha is 20? Okay, moving ahead. Find the value of sine 70 cot. Okay, so if we say sine 70 degree, it is cos 10 cos 70 sine 10 sine 70 minus sine 10 degree sine 70 degree. It is sine 70 degree cos a cos b minus sine a sine b is nothing but cos a plus b, and we are left with sine 10 degree sine 70 degree. So sin 70 cancel. Cos 80 is nothing but sin 10, which is equal to 1. Area of the region bounded by curve y equal to this and this. Okay. So we'll go with this. This is 5 0. Okay, we got it. X1. It will go like this, maybe like this. Yes. So area of the larger region. That means this is the area of the larger region, isn't it? So this is x minus 1. This is y 1 minus x. So if we solve it, even it is not possible to get it, isn't it? So this they have given somewhere a bit difficult way. Hmm. So we can do simply no problem. Y equal to 1 minus x. Okay. We would have solved from here to here. This area minus this area and this area. Okay. We will have to solve. Okay. So x square plus y equal to x minus 1 whole square equal to 25. This is x square plus x square plus 1 minus 2x equal to 25. We will get 2x square minus 2x minus 24 equal to 0. X square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. So if we try to see x equal to 1 plus minus root under b square 4ac. Okay, it is coming some good number. 1 plus minus 7 by 2, which is 4 comma minus 3. So this is 4 comma 3. This is minus 3 comma 4. Okay. So area of circle is pi r square, which is 25 pi. So area of larger region is 25 pi minus integration. This length is x is minus 3 and this is 1. So 4 and height is 4, 16. So 8. So we'll simply minus 8. Okay. And this area is 4, 3, 9, 9 by 2. Okay. That means we will add this area and we'll do integration from x equal to minus 3 to 1 root under 25 minus x square dx and plus 1 to 4 root under 25 1 to 4 not 4 to 5. No, no. It is 1 to 4 1 to 4. Okay, 1 to 4 1 to 4 root under 25 minus x square dx. So if we try to solve it, it is nothing but 25 pi 25 by 2 integration of this thing, which is minus I1. We'll solve I1 this side. I1 is root under minus 3 to 1 root under 25 minus x square dx plus 4 1 to 4, it is 1 1 to 4 25 x square dx. So first we'll do integration. If you don't remember, we'll put x equal to 5 cos theta. It will come out to be 5 sin theta, 5 sin theta, 5 25 sin theta cos theta. That means 25 by 2 sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta by 2. And this is what it is for this one, okay? Root under integration of root under 125 minus x square dx, okay? And now we kept x equal to 5 sin theta, so we can simply say it is 25 by 4 1 minus 2 sin square theta, okay? Okay, this is what it is. Integration from, now we'll put integration when it is minus 3 to 1 root 25 minus x square dx. This will come out to be minus 25 by 4 1 and 1 will get cancelled. We have minus 2 by 25, 1 minus 9 minus 8 minus minus 4. So we are taking area which is positive plus. So 1 to 4 root under 25 minus x square dx. It is again minus 25 by 4 minus 2 by 25, 16 minus 1, 15. So 7.5. Yes. So we have to minus 11.5. So this is nothing but 11.5 is nothing but 23 by 2, which is 25 pi plus 1. This is the area, okay? So y equal to log x, okay? Fx equal to log x, and this is it. Find the domain. So first we'll see gx. If you see the bottom, d is less than 0, okay? So x belongs to R, I think. X belongs to R because the denominator is d less than 0. So if we try to solve the upper one, we can see that it is x to the x square minus 2x plus 2, okay? Or if we send 2x square that side, we'll get 1. And we say x square that side, 2x square. So 1. Now what will happen? D is less than 0, so x belongs to R, but upper term should be positive. That means x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 2 should be positive. because 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is always positive because d less than 0. So if we should do it, it is x square minus 2x plus 1, and we have 2x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, this should be bigger than 0. So this is d less than 0 and this is bigger than equal to 0. So this is always positive, then x belongs to R. Okay. Question number this. This is a previous year question. This is dx. We will do x minus 1, x plus 15. 15 by 13, and this will come out to be x minus 1 whole square. So if we put x minus 1 upon x plus 15 equal to t, let's check dt by dx. It is x plus 15 minus x minus 1 upon x plus 15 whole square. Okay. Okay, what will we do is that we'll put x plus 15 upon x minus 1 to the power 15 equal to t, and then we'll differentiate. I think we are going to get. We'll put x plus 15 upon x minus 1. Differentiate, it is x minus 1 minus x plus 15 upon x minus 1 whole square, which is nothing but minus 16 x minus 1 whole square. So can we say that this is nothing but hmm, minus dt by 16 t to the power 15 by 13, and it is nothing but it is minus 1 by 16 t to the power minus 15 by 13 plus 1, which is t to the power minus 2 by 3. So x plus 15 x minus 1 is 2 by 13, and it is minus 2 by 13, which is minus 13 by 2 plus c. This is in multiplication, and this is 1. It is 13 by 32 x minus 1 x plus 15 to the power 2 by 13 plus c. Now I 37. Okay, so this is I. Let's carry. So let's carry I. I is 13 by 20, 32. X minus 1 x plus 15 to the power 2 by 13 plus c. So I 37 minus I 24. So we'll take 13 by 32. 37 is 36 upon 52 to the power 2 by 13 minus 34 24 23 upon 39 to the power 2 by 13. So we are not getting something good. We are not getting something good. 18 upon 26. We are not getting something good. 37, 36, 52. It is not coming in the form of B. So the question has some mistake. Our answer is correct. We come to this question. Okay, we have 5 questions left. Two vertices of a triangle are minus 2 comma 4, 5 comma 4. That means it is the same line. Y is same. Orthocenter H is 3 comma 5. If the area of the triangle is 35, centroid is C comma D. This is X comma Y. So we can find the equation of this line, isn't it? Because orthocenter is given. So the slope of this line is what? Uh, the slope of this line is 0. That means this line is X equal to C. That means it is 3 comma Y. Okay. And now centroid is C comma D, which is nothing but 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 2 6, 6 by 3 is 2, and we have 8 plus y by 3. So C equal to 2, D is this thing. Okay. Now area of the triangle. So what will happen? Area delta ABC is half into base. Base is 7. Height. Height is perpendicular distance from this to this line. So we can say that if this is y, if y equal to 4 is this, and minus 2, 4, and we have somewhere 3 comma y. Okay. So I think this height is y minus 4 mod, which is equal to 35. So we can say that y minus 4 mod is equal to 10. So y is 14 or y is minus 6. Okay. So if y is minus 6, if y equal to minus 6, d will be 2 by 3, y equal to 14, d will be 22 by 3. So we are telling 2 times of d plus c. So that means 2 plus 2 times of d is 4 by 3. or 2 plus 44 by 3. So they are the answer. This is the question we have to solve. Okay. So what will happen? The trick for this type of question comes out to be, if we put, so ln x is from e to the power 4 to 4. That means ln x will be from 2 to 4. Okay. So we'll put ln x equal to t. So t is from 2 to 4. Now this is 2 to 4. E to the power t square minus 1 whole square upon e to the power t square minus 1 to the power minus 1. This is minus 1, okay? Plus e to the power 6 minus t whole square plus 1 to the power minus 1, and dt is 1 by x, so it is simply dt. So if we do a plus b minus x, it is nothing but 2 to 4 e to the power 6 minus t whole square minus 1, it's a plus 1 to the power minus 1, and it is e to the power t square plus 1 minus 1, and dt is there. And here we'll get e to the power 6 minus t whole square plus 1 to the power minus 1. Now this is I and this is I. If we add both of them, so 2I is going to be 2 to 4 dt. So I is nothing but 1. Let Q be the foot of perpendicular from point 3, 4, 5. The line, so P is foot of perpendicular. So the point on the line will be 2 lambda plus 1 minus 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda plus 5. This is the point Q. P is 3, 4, 5. We can say that PQ vector dot 2, minus 5, 2 equal to 0. So PQ vector is 2 lambda minus 2 minus 5 lambda minus 7, 2 lambda. This is 2 minus 5, 2 equal to 0. This is 2, 2 lambda minus 2 plus 5, 5 lambda plus 7 plus 4 lambda equal to 0. This is 4 lambda minus 4 plus 25 lambda plus 35 plus 4 lambda equal to 0. This is 4 plus 29, 33 lambda. And we have plus 31 equal to 0. So lambda equal to minus 31 by 33. Okay. So we got somewhere difficult term. The terms are difficult. So area, if we have to find, we have half 1. Area is what? So area will come out with vector. Okay. This point is really difficult. Mm. The point came out to be very difficult. So we'll get this point. So we'll have half PQ vector into QR vector. This is it. This is area. So you got P, you know P, you know Q, you know R. So this is the way you have to solve. Now this is the question. Mod Z equal to 2 time of x square whole square. Yes, whole square. Y plus 1 whole square. X square plus y square 4 x square y plus 1 whole square. It is 3x square 2y plus 1 2 pi plus 2 whole square minus y square equal to 0. So you can have 3x square a plus b, a minus b. Okay. So 3x square 3y square 2y 6y plus 4 equal to 0. This is x square plus y square plus 8 by 3 y plus 4 by 3 equal to 0. Represent a circle with center P, then the distance of. So center P is what? 0 comma minus 4 by 3. The distance of this with d 1 comma 5. So distance equal to 1 square root 370 upon 3. Okay. I think this is the last question for the day. Marks obtained by all the students of class 12th are in frequency distribution with classes of equal width. Let the median of group is 14. Okay. Yes, yes. Is it recorded? Yes. So it is 14. So this question I would like to give you as a homework because this is class 10 level. This is not, it comes in statistics. So we are done with all.